Next up, let's talk about exponential, expanded, and standard form. This idea is extremely important, and so I'm going to be spending a little bit more time than usual explaining these concepts. So please pay attention, please make sure you're taking notes and following along. So exponential form, expanded form, and standard form are three different ways to look at the same thing. So you can look at something with a microscope, you can look at something with your eyes, and you can look at something from far away with binoculars or a telescope, right? So you can look at things three different ways and have that still be the same thing that you're looking at. Well, let me explain what I mean. So let's say I'm using my exponential form. My exponential form, the example would be 9 squared. So it's the exponential form because it has an exponent, right? Expanded form takes that exponential form. Expanded form takes that exponential form and it expands it out into the biggest form. So this would be kind of like our microscope or our magnifying glass. So if I want to expand 9 squared, that would be 9 times 9. If it was 9 to the fourth, then it would be 9 times 9 times 9 times 9, right? All the exponent says is how many times that base is multiplied to itself. So we have our exponential form and our expanded form. Standard form only works for numbers, for letters, for variables. Our standard form and our exponential form are going to be the same. But standard form is, well, what's the simplified version of that? Can we do 9 squared? Can we do 9 times 9? Absolutely. And 9 times 9 is just 81. So it's not a ridiculously huge number. It's not a ridiculously small number. It's just a different way of seeing the same things, right? So we have 9 squared, which is our exponential version, 9 times 9, which is our expanded version, and our standard form would be 81. So let me try it with something else. Let's say I had -2 in parentheses to the fourth power. That means our expanded form is -2 times -2 times -2 times -2. See, I've got 4 -2's that are all multiplied to each other because the exponent says how many times it's multiplied to itself. So let's try that. -2 times -2 is 4, times -2 is -8, times -2 is a positive 16. And so -2 to the fourth is a positive 16. Oops, I guess black would have been the better color to use with that. So our -2 to the fourth, the standard form is 16. -2 to the fourth is our exponential form, and writing -2 times to itself 4 times, that's the expanded form. It's the expanded form because it looks expanded, right? You can see that it's bigger. So that's exponential, expanded, and standard form.